A potluck is a social gathering or meal where each guest or participant brings a dish or food item to share with others. This communal dining experience encourages variety and diversity in the menu, as attendees contribute their favorite recipes, specialties, or dishes to create a collective feast. Potlucks are popular for their casual and inclusive nature, making them a beloved tradition in many cultures and communities worldwide. The term potluck has a rich history that can be traced back to the 16th century. Its origins lie in the idea of sharing and communal eating. Originally, potluck referred to a meal that was unplanned or impromptu, where guests brought whatever food they had on hand to contribute to the table. The term evolved over time to describe the practice of contributing to a communal meal without a predetermined menu. Potlucks come in various forms, from casual gatherings among friends and family to more organized events within clubs, religious communities, and workplace settings. They are versatile and adaptable to different occasions, from casual weekend get-togethers to holiday celebrations, birthdays, and office parties. The key element of a potluck is the variety of dishes brought by participants. Each person or family typically prepares and brings a specific item, which can include appetizers, main courses, side dishes, desserts, or beverages. This assortment of offerings ensures that there is something for everyone, catering to various tastes, dietary restrictions, and preferences. One of the advantages of potlucks is the reduced workload on the host or hostess. Unlike traditional dinner parties, where one person prepares the entire meal, potlucks distribute the responsibility among attendees. This not only eases the burden on the host, but also fosters a sense of shared ownership and participation in the event. Potlucks also encourage creativity and culinary exploration. Participants often take pride in preparing their signature dishes or trying out new recipes to share with others. It's an opportunity for home cooks to showcase their culinary skills and share their cultural or regional cuisines. The sense of community and togetherness is a defining aspect of potlucks. Guests bond over their shared love of food and the act of sharing a meal. These gatherings provide a relaxed and informal setting for conversation, laughter, and connection. The etiquette of a potluck may vary by culture and context, but certain guidelines are generally followed. Participants are usually asked to coordinate their dishes to ensure a balanced meal, e.g., not all desserts or all side dishes. Labels or index cards are often placed next to each dish to identify its contents, especially for those with dietary restrictions or allergies. Guests take a bit of everything, allowing everyone to sample a variety of dishes. In conclusion, a potluck is a communal dining experience where individuals or families contribute dishes to create a shared meal. This practice embodies the values of sharing, community, and diversity in food. Potlucks are cherished for their versatility and the sense of togetherness they foster, making them a beloved tradition that brings people together over delicious homemade dishes. Whether it's a casual gathering with friends or a formal event, potlucks continue to be a delightful way to celebrate and connect through food.